Hello viewer, we will use the paint tool on that using a red color on this side. Also we will make these designs on each one to pick up there. So let's have a new design here. We will use the eraser tool over this surface. So we will have a design. Again keep on making the shapes here, creating new shapes.